Today we are learning about progressive phonics for beginner, lesson 1. Short vowel A. Head, cat, am, can. Here are the example of short vowel A. At, cat, hat, met, rat, sat, can, man, ran, nan, am, ram, sam, had, dad, sad. Note, today we are going to practice the A sound. The A sound is in lots of words like A, animal, A, alphabet, A, angry, A, ant, A, act like an alligator. At family, at, cat, hat, mat, rat, sat. Look at my cat. Look, look, would you look at that? That is not a hat. That is my cat. My silly cat is scared of mice, so she hides on my head all day and night. I tell my cat, don't be scared, mice can't catch you way up there. Then one day my cat said, mice! I get so scared that I screamed twice. The cat in the window. The cat in the window is looking at me, said a bird who sat on the branch of a tree. No, 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 a second bird said, the cat is looking at me instead. The cat looks at me because I am better, said bird number 3 as she flapped her feathers. But the cat was a toy with glass eyes and stuffing, so the cat in the window was looking at nothing. 3 cats and a mat. We have 3 cats, but only 1 mat. So 1 cat sat on the mat. Then the second cat sat on the cat that sat on the mat. Then the third cat sat on the cat who sat on the cat on the mat. And then they were happy. How about that? The rat's hat. A rat went to the store to buy a hat. The first hat was too big. The second hat was too small. The third hat was just right. So the rat ate it bite by bite. And family. Can, man, nan, ran. Note 1. The word N will be in an intermediate phonics lesson because it is a grammatical lesson. Note 2, Nan is a child's name for a grandmother. Can I? Can I jump higher than a tree? Can I? Can I, little tiny me? Yes, I can jump higher than a tree. A tree can't jump. Tee-hee-hee. Tee-hee-hee is a silly way of laughing. Can of corn. See this can of corn in my hand? I can eat it. Yes, I can. But a can of corn doesn't taste very good, and a can of corn is as hard as wood. A man ran. A pair of shoes ran down the street. A man ran too, but he had bare feet. Hey, said the man, come back to me. We can, said the shoes, when you wash your feet. My Nan can make good cookies. My Nan can make a cake. Oh yes! My Nan said I could make something. So look, I made a mess. Add family. Dad had said. Had. When I was a baby, I had a yellow duck. When I was 2, I had a red truck. When I was 3, I had a chimpanzee. Look at him, he looks like me. Had to. I had to brush my hair and I had to brush my teeth. Then I had to put socks and shoes on my feet. Then I had to put a hat on top of my head. Is this what you wear when you go to bed? Dad's shoes. My dad said I could try his shoes. His dad's shoes fit me fine. But I would like to see my dad try to walk in mine. So sad. I sat down to sing a song. It was a sad, sad song. And the sad song was too long. Am family. Am, Ram, Sam. I am tall. I am as tall as a man. Well, when I stand on a chair, I am. I am Sam. I am Sam. I am a cat. And I am stuck inside a hat. The hat is nice when it's snowing, but I can't see where I am going. Rat race. A rat and a ram ran a race. A ram is a boy sheep. The ram ran faster. So the rat put on skates. Water, said the ram as the rat rolled by. I am the winner, said the rat. Bye-bye. But the rat wasn't looking and he ran into a tree. No, said the ram. The winner is me. Next, Progressive Phonics Lesson 2 Short Vowel A. Thank you for joining our activity online class today. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.